By now you know how to log in and access your content management system. This video will cover how to create a new page and populate it with basic content. Here we are at the CMS's main menu. I'll go ahead and click on New Page. You'll notice that these pages resemble a blank Microsoft Word document or most email interfaces. The first thing we'll do is name our page. I'll click inside the box and we'll call this one Demo because that's what we're doing here. And I usually save my page right after I name it just so I can see that it's official on my page list. We'll click back on the page to continue. Back on our page now, we'll first add some text. Now obviously we can type it out the traditional way, but to save time I'm just going to copy and paste some information I've already put together. You'll notice that I have a Word document open at the same time here, and all I'm doing is copying and pasting from Word right to the page in my CMS. When you're starting a page from scratch, it can be helpful to type out the bulk of your text in Word or like programs, and then just copy and paste. This way, if you mess up or accidentally delete something, you still have it right there. So you can always just copy and paste again rather than starting over and inputting everything from the beginning. After the text is on our page, we can highlight it, then select some formatting options from our toolbar. We can change the font, the size. Here you'll see the usual bold, italicized, and underline icons, as well as color and alignment. Again, this stuff is pretty familiar. You've probably done it before. Okay, when the text is just the way you want, you're ready to add an image. Click on the page, then click the Insert Image button on the right side of the toolbar. Now just click Browse to search your computer for the file, the same way you would attach any file to an email. Once the file has been selected, you'll hit both Upload and Confirm. Now sometimes the image is a bit large when it initially appears on your page, but that's okay. When this happens, you just click the corners and drag it until it's the right size. Now that the picture is placed right, I'm going to double click it to open up the Image Options menu. The first option I'll point out is Size. You can actually input a size here in these boxes as opposed to clicking and dragging on the image like we just did. Over here on the right is Text Flow. This is essentially the way the text flows or wraps around your image. I've shifted it to the right here and I do like how it looks, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave it. Now I'll use the padding function. Padding is important because it allows you to create even space between your image and the text so everything on your page looks clean. There's also a few border options down here. You can create a border for your image and choose the width, style, and color. Alright, I like how everything looks, so I think I'm going to go ahead and hit Confirm to get out of the Image Options menu. Again, page is looking pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and save it out and preview our work. From the Pages menu, I'll just hit Preview Website, and I will click on the demo page. And there it is, looking pretty good. We just created a fully functioning web page and it updated in real time. Sorry that took so long. Wait, no it didn't. Please check out the rest of our videos on all the features of the SkyWax content management system.